Now you're going to change your test area. Each test area gets a cup of beans. You're going to pretend these beans are rocks. Scatter beans with the food. Mix them up. Your bird wants to get the food, but it doesn't want to fill its stomach with rocks. Try using each beak to get food. Which beak is better at getting food without getting rocks? Do number 1 on your worksheet, then go to the next step. Don't forget to write your name on your worksheet too. You'll have 20 seconds to get food with the beak you chose. If you get a rock, spit it out. Are you ready? Go! Count how many pieces of food your beak got. Do number 2 on your worksheet. Discuss these questions. Then advance the slide to watch the final video.